students, this is the third part of our second semester's second poetry, and that is O Captain, My Captain, which is written by Walt Whitman. So in this part we are going to start the actual poem from its first line of first stanza. So open your books, page number 77. Now listen carefully. O Captain, my Captain, our fearful trip is done. Fearful, it means dangerous or painful. Our fearful trip is done. So here the sailor is telling to his master or his captain that captain, we have completed our trip, which trip was very dangerous, very painful. The ship was weathered. Weathered it means face and withstand with courage. The ship was weathered every rack. Rack it means the destruction or collapse of something. Collapse it means fall down. The prize we sought is own. Sought it means past tense and past participle of seek. So what is the meaning of seek? Seek it means attain, to find, get or ask for. So here in the second line, the ship was weathered every rack. So every destruction or collapse of that ship which was faced by that ship and withstand with a lot of courage, and therefore the prize of that withstand they own, which they were trying to find out. The port is near. Port it means harbor, or another meaning is the place on the coast where ships take shelter. The boat is near, the bells are here, the people were exulting. Exulting it means expressing great joy. So the port is near, it means the coast, the border of the sea area, which is the border of sea and land. That area, that port, that harbor is near, and I can hear the bell, which bell the people people were having in their hands, they were ringing that bell loudly, and people were looking very happy, very joyful. While follow eyes the steady keel. Steady, it means not changing, moving. Keel. Keel, it means the main longitudinal beam which provides lateral balance or stability. The vessel it means ship or large boat. The vessel grim it means stern or strict. So here in the last line of the first stanza, the poet says, while follow eyes the steady keel. It means the main beam of the ship which provide balance to the ship in the water, sea water. That main beam is very steady. It means it is not moving, it is not changing, it is still. The vessel grim and the ship looking very grim, very strict and daring, and the ship is having a lot of daring to fight with the heavy waves of the sea water. Next stanza. But oh, hard, hard, hard. Oh, the bleeding drops of red. Where on the deck my captain lies. Deck, it means floor of ship. Lie, it means be in a flat position. Fallen cold and dead. Then the poet says, my heart is beating loudly because my captain is lying on the deck. He is sleeping on the deck and his body is very cold, looking like he is dead. And blood is dropping red from his mouth. Therefore, my heart is beating loudly. So students, in this way, this part ends here. We are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.